helping things at all.
Yeah, not going anywhere anytime soon either. We were mentioning this new satellite
Oh yeah.
exclusive access. You're only going to see this on Channel 3. I don't know if you've seen it, but
Let's see.
this is the view of Texas as we can see from space here, right between the sun and the earth.
There it is. Only here.
Har har. That's how it feels. And I put Texas, this right here, this is the heat index contour on the map. This is what it actually looks like. You see all the pinks showing up. These are the air temperatures, 108 right now in Dallas, 107 in Abilene and in Laredo. We got the sea breeze coming in. It's more humid here, so air temperatures aren't quite as hot in town. It's 92, but the heat index is still way up there, 104, the feel-like temperature right now. Southeast wind helps out when we get the breeze. It's kind of like nature's fan. When you get that wind over sweat, it helps the evaporation process and cools you a little bit. So thankful for that wind coming in around 20 to 25 miles per hour. You see the field of fair weather cumulus clouds drifting in from the south, mirroring our wind direction here. And a lot of the state, except for the deep south part of the state and the panhandle, and maybe over toward El Paso, all under some type of heat-related advisory or warning. A little bit of rain up in the Red River Valley. There's a stalling front up there. It's not going to come down here. It's not doing much for relief in Dallas right now, but a little bit of rain up there. And that big high pressure feature, you see the arrows spinning around in a clockwise motion over the desert southwest. That's where the big area of upper atmosphere high pressure is residing. It's going to stay there for a few more days. This, though, will track across the country over the weekend, passing through the plains. And by the middle of next week, it's possible that as that high shifts farther to the east, it opens up the Texas Gulf Coast to a little bit of tropical moisture, and that may lead to a few isolated showers or storms by the middle of next week. Not saying it's a guarantee, but at least a little shift in the pattern may open up the possibility for a chance for rain next week. Mid-90s through the next 7 days. Heat index values will be close to 105 up to around 110. Tropics, Pacific remains active. Atlantic with this new plume of Saharan dust is quiet, not expecting anything in the Atlantic, Caribbean, or Gulf of Mexico over the next 5 to 7 days. Tonight, 79, mainly clear with the southeast breeze 7 to 14 miles per hour. Tomorrow, more heat, mid-90s, heat index of 108, mainly sunny skies, and a southeast wind 12 to 22 miles per hour, near 90 at the beach. Triple digits out in the brush country, 105 over in Freer. The heat index values across the board, they're going to be in that 100 to 115 range. Doesn't matter where you are, you're going to feel the heat. We may not reach excessive heat warning criteria tomorrow, just a hint lower on the humidity, and that may keep places like Alice below 115, but kind of splitting hairs there because you got to be drinking water, staying hydrated on these hot summer days. If you're on the water, it'll be a choppy afternoon as winds pick up out of the south to southeast, 10 to 20 knots, and mainly sunny, hot, and humid over the next 7 days. Again, a little glimmer of hope with that little rain chance by the middle of next week. Still have plenty of heat to get through before we get to that rain chance, though. Leslie, Mike?
All right.